If packing everything you need in just a carry-on and looking great on your vacation seems impossible, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Robin, and this is Faith and Flower. Today I'm going to show you how to put together a travel capsule wardrobe and how to pack it along with everything you'll need in just carry-on luggage so you can enjoy all the benefits of traveling light and looking great on your next trip. I recently heard a statistic that shocked me. On average, airlines lose the luggage of 1 to 2 people per flight. That's a lot of luggage. Arriving at your vacation destination without your luggage is no fun. And unfortunately, I have experienced this several times on our trips to Europe, and that is one of the main reasons why I learned to travel with just carry-on luggage. And there are other benefits. We can move through the airport and use various forms of transportation with ease, and that really makes our travel days much less stressful. We love to travel, and we're fortunate to get to do it often. We live in Texas, and all of our family either lives on the east coast of the United States or in Switzerland. I used to be one of the worst examples of an overpacker, but I have learned through my experiences that I can manage very well with far less clothing and accessories than most people realize. The key is to create a capsule wardrobe, which allows you to create many different outfits with just a few pieces. I'm going to start by showing you the pieces in my travel capsule wardrobe, and later I'll share my packing tips. This cashmere sweater and silk skirt are both by Lily Silk, who are sponsoring today's video. You might be thinking silk and traveling don't go together, but I'm going to show you why they absolutely do and how to make it work later along with my packing tips. This gray cable knit sweater is also made of cashmere, and my black silk pants are both by Lily Silk. I've chosen the silk skirt and pants not only to elevate my travel wardrobe, but because it's actually quite practical. Silk is very lightweight and breathable and is a great insulator, so it will keep me warm while really minimizing the weight and bulk, which is ideal for light packing. If you're worried about wrinkles, I will get to that a little later, so don't miss my packing hack in just a bit. My third sweater, also by Lily Silk, is made of merino wool, and I'm showing it here with the same silk pants. Lily Silk has a beautiful collection of sweaters this season, and I love that they offer high quality cashmere and merino wool, which are perfect for travel because they are very insulating yet lightweight and much less bulky than most wool, cotton, or acrylic sweaters. I'm including this blush pink blouse in my collection, shown here with my black silk skirt. It is also by Lily Silk, and I have had it for years. I machine wash it using the hand wash setting and line dry, so it still looks and feels great. Find my link in the description box and use my code FAF15 to receive 15% off everything at Lily Silk, or FAF20 for 20% off all orders of $500 or more. Lily Silk will be having some amazing Black Friday sales, so now is a great time to shop for someone on your Christmas list or to treat yourself to something special from Lily Silk. I also want to mention how easy Lily Silk makes gift giving by offering both gift box style packaging and environmentally conscious envelope bags. Both are 100% recyclable and reusable. The other pieces I'm including are a pair of white and a pair of gray jeans, both by Mott and Bow, 3 long sleeve t-shirts that I'll use for layering and casual outfits, and 3 pairs of shoes. I will put links for everything in the description box along with some great discount codes for you. I chose a neutral palette for this travel capsule wardrobe to make it easy to mix and match everything, which allows me to create a lot of different outfits. My shoes by Vivaia are lightweight, flexible, and so comfortable. I have loved Vivaia shoes for years, and recently they have made them even more supportive and comfortable, adding features like improved arch support. As you can see, I have created over 10 outfits, and I haven't even included the t-shirts that I'm packing. Whenever I travel, I like to have a few classic pieces of jewelry, and this time I have chosen one necklace, a pair of earrings, and a bracelet, all by Rachel Lynn Jewelry. They are elegant, lightweight, and look beautiful with any outfit, so there's no need to pack anything extra. Rachel Lynn has a beautiful collection of handcrafted, elegant pieces at a very affordable price, so be sure to visit her website using my link and discount code. On travel day, I try to wear the bulkiest items, so I'll wear my gray jeans and sneakers, but I won't be wearing one of the sweaters this time, and I'll show you why in a bit. But instead, I'm going to wear a long sleeve t-shirt and my trench coat. I like to layer this way because you never know how warm or cold it will be in the airport and on the flight. And this trench coat is going to look great over every outfit, whether casual or dressy. Here is the hack I've promised you for packing silk. It's a variation of what's known as the bundle technique that I have tested, and it works great. Start by laying out the largest sweater. Then alternate the silk pieces between layers of sweaters, ending with a sweater on top. Be sure to line up the sleeves on each side and the collars and waistbands on top. The sweaters will cushion the silk pieces and reduce any creasing or wrinkling. This method will also ensure that your silks are protected from snags or from chafing against anything within your suitcase. Fold in any high collar or hoodies at the top, and then fold everything up together from the bottom about halfway. Be sure to always smooth out the fabrics after each fold, and then fold in the sleeves toward the middle. I'll also fold down the pants legs that are now at the top, and then carefully fold everything over once vertically. You may need to experiment making some adjustments depending on your particular pieces, but the goal is to keep the silk from developing any harsh creases. I tested this by keeping my suitcase packed for 48 hours and found that there were some very minor crumpling, but no harsh creases at all. If you are careful to hang everything when you arrive, you can easily steam your silks by hanging them in the bathroom when you shower, and they will come out perfect. That is also a great way to freshen them up between wears so that you can wear them more than once on your trip. I always pack my shoes inside a cloth bag to protect my clothes and suitcase, and I find that these shoes from Vivaia are perfect because they are so light and flexible. They compress easily, so I don't like to fill them with socks or other items so that they will take up as little space as possible. I've packed my underwear, socks, and camisoles together in a packing cube, which keeps everything neat and organized throughout my trip. The camisoles, along with the t-shirts I'm packing, are another strategy for staying fresh while wearing each item in my wardrobe several times. I can even rewear one of my camisoles if necessary by hanging it on a hanger in our room for a few days, or better yet, outside on a balcony if possible. The other items that will go into my carry-on are 2 pairs of jeans, 3 long-sleeve t-shirts, 2 nightgowns, and a swimsuit. I'll pack the bundle of sweaters and silks on the side of my suitcase with the mesh zipper. The way that my away suitcase is designed, this is where they will have the most space and will endure the least amount of compression. I'll fill in the gaps on the sides and the bottom with my shoes and lay my swimsuit on top. On the other side, I'll pack everything else. Away designed this side with a compression board so it's perfect for clothes that don't easily wrinkle and helps to maximize the available space. In addition to my carry-on, I'll also be using a backpack as my personal item. Here is everything that will go in there. We use United Airlines and their partner airlines when flying to Europe, but each airline has different rules for carry-on luggage, so be sure to check their website and plan accordingly before you pack. I've used this FSA approved liquids bag several trips now, and I love it so much more than a quart-sized Ziploc bag, which is what I used before. It's much roomier and much more durable. I even pack items which don't qualify as liquids in here because there's plenty of room, and this has worked really well. All of my other toiletries and makeup, along with a lighted travel mirror, go into a cloth pouch. I'm taking along a small crossbody bag, which works well for most occasions, casual or dressy. This one is by Bagolini, which was recommended by several of you, and I can see why you love it. It was designed by flight attendants and has features like antimicrobial protection, RFID protection, multiple compartments, and was made with recycled materials. I've used my backpack several times now and find that its features work really well for helping keep things organized and easily accessible on my flight and through the airport, and it's very comfortable to wear. Plus, it does have a strap on the back that fits over the handle of my suitcase, which is really nice. Something else that I've been loving is this pill organizer. It has several compartments for keeping my medications and supplements and comes as a set. This is the smaller one, and I can use the larger one for longer trips or for multiple family members. I like packing my laptop and e-reader in my personal item because here they are well protected and I can easily get them out when going through security and when I want to use them in the airport and on the flight. Things that I don't need to get to often, like my hair tool, brush, and camera, go at the bottom of my backpack. I like using zipper compartments for corralling things like charging cords, and I make sure that my liquids bag is near the top so I can access it easily in case I'm asked to remove it when going through security. After packing all of my essentials, I still have enough room to add a crocheting project that I'm working on or to bring home a small souvenir. The front compartment of my backpack has a place for my phone and passport, but for added security, I can put them in the compartments inside my crossbody bag, which is inside my backpack. And now we're ready to go. I hope these tips will help you as you plan your next getaway. Thank you to Lily Silk for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to find my link and discount codes in the description box. If you have any packing tips, be sure to share them below, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful week and safe travels.